Alright, let's not fuck around. We got some work to do. That's the list. Whoa, look what arrived. Would have preferred polished. However, we're gonna have to paint that. What shall we paint it? Fuel relief valve taken out of there. TIG weld that hole in the end there so he gets all the juice. It's right along there and fucking bows. We got the cube touch wiring and we got the junior touch wiring. We'll do the junior touch one first. This guy can chill here for a bit. Let's see if our bits light up. Here we go. I disconnected the fuel pump fuse so I won't piss out. Whoa! Alright, we're gonna fuck around and make an exhaust for this thing. It's gonna give the fucking... I acquired something pretty sweet. Check him out. Big Zeusos. This is the old boss's scan tool. Borrowing him to code me some injecties. That battery is not happy at all, even though I charged it. 10.4 volts. Not gonna cut it. Chuck this guy in. Power crank. Start with this. New vehicle detected. Okay. Transtron. Special functions. Injector programming. Here we have the old injector codes. Let's edit them, shall we? Input him. Let's do it. New ID. Delete that. Alrighty. We've got him all sorted. We're gonna give him the fucking alright. Hey. So I kinda got this fucking thing here. Give him fucking 2 of these. I gotta cut out that section about where the wastegate bit will go. Shape him to fucking put him in there like that. Welded this piece on, 2.5 to 3 inch. Nice. I'm just gonna weld stainless straight to this, and then we can do a V-band. Cool. Cool and groovy. We're just gonna go straight and then just dump him right here for now. Fuck it. Almost forgot to put a bloody flange on him. Probably should do that. Nice,
We're
man.
fucking on.
It's gonna be, oh, I still have to make a block off plate for this. That'll be easy, but I got a bit of aluminium. We'll give them fucking of those. Brand new studs, brand new nuts, brand new washers. Cock check the bolts and nuts. Cock check the nuts and bolts. Funnel. Here's another. It's like cock. Crank him. Injectee 1 has fuel now.
Okay, stop. picked up the pace a bit.
That's him. It'll start now. Start him up.
Runs.
Alright, we're gonna give him
Give him one of fucking
a...
these.
Cheers, fellas.
Getting the cartoon today, sir. Dmax. Oh.
We did it, boys. Let's go. Hey, yeah, the boilies. Whoa. What's going on?
Oh, you know, just... Is that how James does it? Quicker. Quicker?
Is it gonna brake? Will it brake?
Nah.
Nah.
All the boost, mate. That crank's gonna stay intact. Hey! Nice, man. Oh. Hey guys, this is me on an SR20 Det. It's pretty nice, eh? Anyway, Ethan's just got this thing running. E85. We got Hayden up from HG Automotive in Brizzy. He's kind of tuned this beast, so hopefully he can make some nice numbers. We'll see. We got the Garrett, no, not Garrett. We got the Aeroflow 2871, fully forged SR20 Det, S14, S15 motor, I believe, in the RPS S13. It's going to be a fucking weapon, absolute weapon. So we'll see how it goes. So we got Hayden here from HD Automotive in Brizzy. Flew all the way up in Cairns just to tune the Dmax. Second first.
Taking it off your car.
Mate, this might be game over for the Dmax today, but we'll come right back anyway.
What's happening to you? What he said.
True glory. It's a funny looking at. That's not an FTE. Well, that's God's motor there, man. I don't know why everyone's messing with these 4Js, FTEs.
RB the world.
You want to make some power, this is what you want. As you can see, Hayden is well and truly over it. He is so over it. Anyway, POV of my life. So you're seeing what I'm seeing, guys. I love to show the viewers what I see on a daily basis. So, oh my God. For the viewers that don't know, I'm now blonde. Does it look good? I don't know. Let us know in the comments. Fuck, you look like a gangster 180, man. Smells like Northern Nazi with all the C85. Hayden's a bit angry because it's not an FTE. There you go, perfect. That works.
You turned it off at the same time.
Nice, man. In a wild turn of events, James's car now revs all of a sudden. So we might be on here. Wasn't revving past 2200, but now it revved.
Hey boilies, it works.
It's kind of... The Dmax are now fucking revs. Shirt's off now, he means business. Fuck, he's all tatted up too. Fuck, you're bikey? Fuck off. You know he's a man when he fists his bullets. Elbow deep too.
Just put it around the axle, the shaft.
Three blokes trying to figure out how to time an SR. What we got going on now is a bit of remote tuning. So, got one of Hayden's mates from down south in Brizzy. He's, as you can see, he's fiddling with the map and he's not even here. He's like 1,800 kilometres away and he's doing that, mate. Fucking hell. Whoa.
It works, but it's got a voltage drop issue. Pretty sure it's because I didn't actually have the ECU mounted properly. It was just chilling, grounding through that M6. So that's probably it. All right, let's take him for a little rip and see if I fix the voltage issue. Ignore this shit. I solved the voltage drop issue that you just saw in that clip, how the four drive light and the ABS light would span. What I did, just add a couple more ground points for the ECM ground wires, and boom, fixed. That needs a full exhaust. It's fucked. It's clapped out. It sounds cooked. Steal the old exhaust off this. Put it on that. He's vibing out here. There he is. Shotgun blast pipes out the back. So, gonna make that exit out here, I think, will be good. Thanks, recip saw. Very cool. In the middle of like a shed restructure cleanup. Got that over there now. Got that there, clean this shit up. There's lights there, moving that Accordio stuff over there. 4J shit over there. Did a pretty good cleanup, and I can even get a car in there. Watch this. Don't know why, but I thought this car was smaller than it actually was. Trying to fucking find the bloody fuel leak in here, and then we'll be Gucci. Whoa! 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 All it needed was a bit of fucking ring-da-ding-ding. And we've detected the fuel leak. Relief valve, I just gotta reseal him for the third time. Resealed him with a 569. Hopefully, it seals. We will see tomorrow.